What is Lean methodology and its principles? Lean methodology is a systematic approach to continuous process improvement through the elimination of waste. Principles of Lean methodology. Define value. The starting point of Lean is to specify value from the standpoint of the end customer. Understanding what the customer values in a product or service allows organizations to streamline their processes. Map the value stream. This principle involves identifying and mapping all the steps involved in delivering a product or service, from raw materials to the final delivery to the customer. Create flow. Once the value stream is identified, the next step is to ensure that the value-creating steps occur in a tight sequence, allowing the product or service to flow smoothly toward the customer without interruptions, delays, or bottlenecks. Establish pull. Instead of pushing products through production based on forecasted demand, Lean dictates that production should be based on actual customer demand, thereby minimizing waste associated with overproduction and excess inventory. Pursue perfection. Lean is an ongoing process of continuous improvement. Pursuing perfection involves continually seeking ways to reduce waste and improve processes, thereby maximizing value for the customer. Conclusion. In conclusion, from manufacturing to healthcare and software development to retail, Lean principles empower organizations to streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and deliver unparalleled value to customers.